Hello everyone, today Tina will introduce you a Dongfeng record truck. Now let's check the cabin. This truck is powered by a Cummins diesel engine. And a 6-speed transmission. A roomy space with a sleeping bed. Now let's check the upper body. As customer requested, the flatbed is 6.2 meters long. Equipped with a 4-ton hydraulic winch and a 4-ton rear towing arm. It can carry one car on the flatbed and towing another at the same time, greatly improving working efficiency. This tow truck can be equipped with a hydraulic crane, making it a multifunctional record truck.